Boom, hey internet, Circle Clothing, let's talk about it. I love this smaller apparel blank manufacturing company that's actually distributing from Houston, Texas. And so I like that they're in the middle of the United States. Look, there's a lot of blank companies, and if you Google the top used blanks, most used blanks, you're gonna get a lot of the usual suspects. And I love Circle Clothing for the variety that they offer, and the quality is really good. So if you follow me on this channel, you know that I've been going live a lot, and I actually did an unboxing of a package that they sent me not too long ago. So I'm gonna run that footage for you right now and tell you that I'm really pleased with what they sent me. So let's check it out. Okay guys, here we go, moment of truth. Circle Clothing sent me this. I have like a catalog. The quality of this print is really good as well. All right, we got color swatches with actual fabrication. I could feel the fabric. So a lot of good colors here. I like that their heather is really subtle. You guys can't see it, but the heather color is really subtle. Now, another reason I'm doing it live is I realized I told them all black, like send me black colorways and everything, because it's all I wear. Not the best for a video, but in any case, let's just see what's in here. Okay, we got like joggers. Ooh, they sent me a few of these. All right, this seems to be a heavyweight. Oh, wow. So t-shirt, the hand feels really good on these. And it's like, I would call it, at first I was thinking it's a midweight, but it's more of a heavyweight jersey. By the way, hand is the way a fabrication feels, right? The hand of the fabric. So they probably sent me like, I would say six of these t-shirts. This is a fleece crew neck. Ooh, you could barely see this, but there's a half moon in the back. So a half moon is when you see that oval part in the back. So the point with that is the inside part of this is you're able to print on it. So the self fabric, like in fleece, you know, the inside part is really fuzzy. You can't print on that, right? You cannot print on that. So what they did is they sewn in a half moon. A half moon is typically just used in the back panel here, and it's usually the self fabric reversed or a contrast fabric, right? You've seen it before. And so here with the label, they have it so you can screen print your P&L or your printed neck label. So that's smart on this fleece. I love that. I think they gave me a hoodie, and there's a hoodie. Really good weight on the hoodie as well. Thank you again, Circle Clothing. Obviously all of this stuff is gonna get used and you're gonna see it within the process, but this is what they sent me. So there you go. I can't wait to get these in play in some of the drops that I'm going to put together. At the moment, free shipping for orders above $199. You can see all of this on their website, circleclothing.com. They also have some great novelty products like tie-dye, which I didn't have in this review, and everything was in all black. So I encourage you to jump on their site and follow them on Instagram as well. And you're gonna see me using the product, doing wash tests and all of that in the future. Any questions on this or anything for your fashion brand, please drop it all down below or text me at this number here. And stay tuned. Keep your post notices on so you can catch me live and ask your question. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.